Whether you have space for a large cabinet or are aiming for a more subtle storage solution, this shelf will get the job done. 1. Storage shelves. Storage shelves are a great solution for a small bathroom. Their cubby-style storage allows you to store everything you need right there in your bathroom instead of a whole closet. Storage shelves are perfect for organizing and decluttering. Simply roll up your towels and layer them in cubby shelf or store your health and beauty products in easy-to-access drawers. 2. Corner shelves. Corner shelves are also a good option for a small bathroom, and they can add a nice decorative touch to large bathroom as well. V-shaped corner shelves fit perfectly in a corner, and you can store anything you want on them as long as it's not too heavy. The shelf can hold decorative accent pieces too. They are also excellent for holding essential items such as toilet paper, towels, and other bathroom staples. 3. Wall-mounted shelf. Wall-mounted bathroom shelves come in many shapes and sizes. It's easy to customize the perfect wall-mounted shelf for your bathroom. Get one with just shelving and a cupboard door, or pick one that has a built-in mirror to help you get ready in the morning. Another option is to choose one with a towel rack. Everything you need will be stored within easy reach with this bathroom furniture. 4. Freestanding shelves. If you are looking for a freestanding bathroom shelf, you have plenty of choice as well. You can choose from bathroom furniture that stands in corners, sits parallel to a wall, or stand over the toilet. Freestanding shelves are terrific for both small and large bathrooms. They don't take up much room, especially ones that stand over the toilet. You'll free up floor space without losing the advantages of bathroom storage. 5. Floating shelf. The shelves are perfect for storing and displaying accent pieces and photographs. Use floating shelves to decorate your bathroom without taking up any needed room on your bathroom vanity. 6. The traditional take. Floating shelves come in many shapes and sizes, but there's nothing wrong with the classic. The stick pine option is minimally invasive, but it serves up maximal style, and it's sturdy option that you know can hold almost anything, whether it's your spare hand towels or your heavy haul tools. 7. Sleek and slim. We love a good IKEA hack. While the shelves are traditionally for open concept kitchen shelving, we cannot help but love their slim profile in the bathroom. Stack one on top of another. They provide ample storage. 8. Ditch the mirror. A novel concept, a bathroom without mirrors. Sure, it might take getting used to, but in the end, it might be a refreshing way to start your morning out. To fill the void, a decorative floating shelf in a shape that mimics a traditional mirror. 9. Try the unexpected. An old shelf can be long and rectangular, but if you are looking to add major style points, it's all about the unexpected geometry. The triangle-shaped shelf presents the ultimate storage space for toilet paper, roll-up washcloths, or wall dryer balls. 10. Stick to a color theme. If you are looking to treat yourself as decor instead of storage, we love the idea of incorporating a color theme. Here, the black and white shelving coordinates well with the black, gray, and white decorative accents. Just add a white shower curtain and marble toothbrush holder, and it's a mood. 11. Type time. Freestanding tub. Give your bubbles, bath salts, and dry brushes a place to live until they are needed. A shelf like this one is close enough to the tub that you can access everything while you are relaxing in the water. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give your comment in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.